All right, this is going to be a quick video on how to do a repair on this 96 S10. So the customer came in, someone's car actually rolled down a hill and hit him right here in the driver's side left bed panel. It pushed the bottom of it in and it messed up his end caps and the bumper, as well as the tailgate got a big old warp in it. So went ahead and ordered the parts, got the tailgate here, got the end caps here and the bumper. Now the bed panel, I am going to have to do some repair on it, so I'm going to pull it right now while everything's in place. I'm going to pull it out, try to get everything to align back up before I start yanking everything off, because I want to try to get everything in place and then fit everything back up to make sure everything is in place where it needs to be before I start putting primer and then getting ready for paint. So